streaming. Let's go. He's back. Well, let's edit that title real quick. There we go. Save. Copy. Quick. Telegram. And then boom. Hi. Here we go. I'm live. All right. I'm gonna wait for you guys to catch in here. Then we can talk about the Bitcoin on this weekend manipulation. Yes, it is manipulation, but I will wait for you guys to first tell me, can you guys hear me loud and clear? I know this is a really random ass Saturday's live stream, and it's because I'm actually waiting for a friend to come over. So I had like 20 minutes until he came. So I was like, you know what? Everyone keeps messaging me about the chart. So I was like, why not just do a quick little live stream? So can everyone hear me in the chat? Just give me a nice yes or no, and then we'll go ahead and begin. Yeah, what's up, OC Mongol? All right, buddy, you can hear me? Cool. So let's start. So, like, first off, okay, yeah, there's been a lot. There's been a lot of stuff that we need to talk about. Starting off with Bitcoin. So yesterday I gave you guys so many good trades, but let's just talk about Bitcoin setup. So I mentioned to you guys, look, right now we are in a consolidation zone here at around the 63.9. I don't like trading these sideways action. Instead, it's super simple. We just sit on our hands, wait for the market structure to end up breaking above 66, or of course, even above the exponential moving averages. There's always two ways that I trade, and there's always two ways that I tell you guys the order setup. So the first way, of course, is once you're above the exponential moving averages and using them as support, that is your confirmation for those aggressive traders. Now, secondly, for those of you that are a little bit more conservative, you wait for the wick high. The wick high is basically these two candlesticks here, the previous wick. So basically where the market ended up rejecting on the way towards the downside, what happens is there's a lot of liquidity trapped within those ranges, right? These are people that obviously entered a shorting position. Their stop loss must be right over here, or even at worst case scenario, somewhere up here. And what they do is, of course, they are betting that Bitcoin is going to continue dropping, right? But what happens is when the market ends up seeing a reversal pattern, so above the exponential moving averages, again, there's two steps, right? So for aggressive traders, you're looking for the EMAs above. For the conservative traders, you're waiting for the wick high break. The wick high got broken, and look what happened to Bitcoin. It saw a massive squeeze for about $2,000. Doesn't matter what sort of leverage you guys were in at that time, you guys definitely made a ton of profits regardless of what kind of leverage you were in. Now, the same thing can be said for Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is in a little bit more of an interesting position, but I always tell you guys this: when Bitcoin ends up seeing a move, like when I'm bullish on Bitcoin, I'm bullish on Ethereum. When I'm bearish on Bitcoin, I'm bearish on Ethereum. It goes both ways, right? It goes both ways, and that's why a lot of you guys need to understand that. You know, some of you guys be like, "Hey, Pingu, okay, what about Doge? Are we shorting Doge and we're long on Bitcoin?" It doesn't work like that. If I'm saying we're long on Bitcoin, we're long across the board. If I'm saying we're short on Bitcoin, we're short across the board. But right now, looking at Ethereum, we haven't quite seen a squeeze just yet. Ethereum actually heading into, of course, this major move that we are probably going to see this week with everything that's going on. I'm expecting somewhere around here, the wick high at 36.56. Now, if you guys pay attention to 36.56, you will notice a few things, right? Look why that line is green. That's called a midterm resistant. Pay attention to this. Look at this. You have one wick here. You have a second wick here, and you guys know the rule. On the third test, we expect a breakout. So what's going to happen on Ethereum? We are expecting a massive breakout opportunity, possibly once we break this midterm resistance here at 35.23. We should see the same exact squeeze that we saw on Bitcoin right here happen to Ethereum as well. Now, we are, of course, on weekend volume, so that's why I'm not 100% confident in this trade setup just yet. But tomorrow night, if we somehow just see a consolidation, or even again, it doesn't have to be tomorrow night. If we see volume come into this market right now on the weekend, and of course, even see a bounce on this support level, then yes, we are expecting another squeeze on Ethereum towards the upside. The reason why I love this chat is because of the fact that when I say, look, this is what we're heading into, I expect everyone to be doing the same. I know there's people that like to, do the opposite of what I say for Liquidation Thursdays, and that is fine. You are welcome, because Liquidation Thursdays is literally just a gamble. It's 125x. We're not expecting anything. But guys, look, pretty much every single trade that I have given you for the past few days has been 100% accurate. We didn't do anything special. The market favors are just here right now, right? There's times in the market where we're on easy mode, and this is one of those times we're on easy mode. I have my friends, retail is hitting me up, for example, my friends from high school, whatever, saying, hey, how do I buy some Bitcoin? How do I buy this? That for me is an indicator to know that, look, we are in a point where Bitcoin is hovering right near all-time highs. If any sort of break opportunity happens, guys, look at this chart. If we see any sort of break opportunity here from all-time high, it is going to get absolutely insane. And a lot of you guys are going to make a ton of money from these move sets, but it's a matter of being patient, and being patient is the hardest thing. I tell you guys this all the time. Look, I send maybe 1 or 2 trades a day, if that. Sometimes I disappear for like 2 days and you guys don't hear from me. And it's because, look, this right here is just sideways action. When Pingu disappears, you guys should know we're not in a trade zone. Some of you guys like scalping, go ahead. Every single person has their own right to do whatever the hell they want. But when you are trading a momentum trade, and when I tell you guys, look, this is the area that we're looking for, that is the opportunity that you guys should be in. That is where we are pretty much seeing that massive breakout opportunity from a lot of these trade setups. Now, going to my next point, that's enough of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Holy shit. Popcat 95 cents. Guys, my first message in Telegram was down here at 11 cents. It was the literal almost bottom of the trade. And I said, look, I know I'm crazy sometimes with these trade setups, but listen to me. When I talked about Dog with Hat, people thought I was absolutely crazy at 9 cents. They're like, this guy's an idiot. He's putting so much money into meme coin. It went to $4. I explained the same setup with Popcat, and I wrote you guys a whole essay about it. And I said, look, for this channel, I rarely give these sort of meme coin plays, but I genuinely think Popcat is the play, and the reason for that was because of Bybit. Bybit had Popcat listed on the exchange, and Bybit, for you guys know, is notorious for market making. And what happens when you have a large market maker and paired with a meme coin, and you have retail FOMO on top of that, it is the perfect recipe for a massive short squeeze. And that is exactly what happened to Popcat. You can see, yes, it was sideways action. This is always the most frustrating part for everyone, is because it goes sideways completely. This right here was, of course, the Binance tweet, and we saw a corrective move again, but you have multiple opportunities for the past few months to buy Popcat within the range. Now looking at Popcat, we're probably going to see a Dog with Hat play. We're probably going to see a $2, $3, $4 play. A lot of people were messaging me saying, Pingu, I don't see the vision in Popcat, just a dumb cat. Why do you see it? You guys need to understand, I've been doing this for a very long time. I've been doing this for 7 years. I understand how order books work. I understand when an exchange wants to push a coin, what can happen. And when market structure is in favor and you see meme coins go absolutely crazy, that is exactly why we see these opportunities. Now, again, even on Solana, right? I mentioned to you guys, looking on Solana, we're looking for 175. That trade has hit absolutely perfectly to the wick high as of this morning. Absolutely perfectly. And I know a lot of you guys made money from this trade because it was a very simple setup. What do you think happens in terms of Telegram? Or it's not Telegram, sorry. One sec. So what do you think happens to meme coins on Solana now? Well, meme coins are going to go absolutely parabolic, right? And that brings me to the next point, which of course is Devin. I told you guys about Devin at 1 mil, at the literal damn bottom. I told you guys, look, guys, I think this coin is going to do extremely well. It went from 1 mil to 5 mil in the matter of 2 days. A lot of you guys that listen to on the Devin trade are up a lot of money. And the thing about AI coins and meme coins and all of these coins in general is when you have this perfect of a recipe with Bitcoin fluctuating all-time high, guys, things can get absolutely insane. And you guys know what I'm talking about because, of course, you guys remember back in the day, I talked about Turbo, way back in the day for those of you that remember. And Turbo was one of those coins that went absolutely parabolic. It was an artificial intelligence coin made by ChatGPT, of course, by human made, but you can see that it had a long sideways death spiral. It did absolutely nothing for weeks and months and like literally a year, I think. And then, of course, when market structure came back and Bitcoin started shooting back up, people were like, huh, I want to buy Turbo because why? It's an AI coin on ChatGPT. What happened here? Market makers came in. Turbo went from literally, I think, 4 million at the lows to 450 mil. And at the highs of today, we're nearing that 500 mil mark again, or sorry, 900 mil it looks like. But that is the way I see Devin. Now, for those of you that don't know what Devin is, Devin, the idea behind Devin is it's completely artificial intelligence. The thing about Turbo was there was some YouTuber or some guy that basically was inputting, hey, can you make me a meme coin? Okay, can you do this? Yes. Devin was 100% autonomously made by AI. There is absolutely no human touch factor to it until obviously after, but it was launched 100%. The idea, the face, everything was launched by AI completely. That's why, to me personally, the way I see the market is overlooking this, and it goes a perfect way too, because I have seen Devin go from 2 mil to 21 mil in a matter of 2 days. So yes, I am extremely bullish on Devin. For those of you that are holding Devin, you are welcome to take your profits. Don't, again, be like, oh my God, Pingu, you do. No, take your profits, do whatever you guys want. That's fine. This is how meme coins are. This is how AI coins are in general. But that is why I'm bullish on these sort of coins. I am extremely bullish on meme coins in general. And Popcat is one of those coins, guys. This is a 10x play that I pretty much gave you, spoon-fed you guys from the absolute bottom to now. And again, this channel is free. I do this shit for you guys for free. Why? Because it makes me happy seeing you guys make money. You guys don't think I can just lock the channel and make it a VIP group and be like, all right, guys, pay me $50 a month and I'll tell you my plays. I don't need to do that. I make my own money. I do very well in just life in general, and I'm very grateful for it. So that is me giving to you guys, because I know there's a lot of small fish in this channel that just need help, that just want to know what exactly is going on. And that's why I've been, doing my most, at least for the past few days, to try to make it up, because market conditions are in favor right now. So I am literally giving you guys a play absolutely free, and that's all I want, is just to see you guys make money. That is my end goal, and I'm happy with that, right? And that's why I tell you guys, like, yes, I know there's times where I disappear for like months and weeks or whatever, but look, the channel's free. If you don't like it, you're welcome to leave, but good luck finding another channel with the same hit rate as this one. And I'm confident to say that is because I have seen you guys turn yourselves into perfect traders. A lot of you guys in this channel are doing extremely well on your own now. Some of you guys are up like 550, 600, 700 grand, just literally just doing what I taught you for the past year. And that makes me genuinely very, very happy. And that's why I tell you guys, look, it is going to get absolutely insane. And the more I do YouTube, the more this channel is going to grow. So take control of this channel right now when you guys have me, and there's only so many of you in these live streams, and we can talk on like these bases where I can just read your message and tell you exactly what's going on. Take advantage of that, right? Because when the bull market, and I genuinely mean, yes, I know we're in a bull market, but when the crazy market where basically retail comes in and you see absolutely monstrous gains on all these meme coins in general, and you go on TikTok and now you have like 500 people making the same video, that is going to get very complicated for this channel. This channel is going to grow very, very fast. And that's why I tell you guys, look, try to make the most of it with these live streams, and understand reasons why I tell you guys on these trade setups is because they're extremely easy. Right now on Bitcoin, this trade setup is extremely easy. You can look at it from this perspective and look, okay, we are in a manipulated move, right? This is a manipulation candle. I've taught you guys this, but as long as we're above the exponential moving average, what happens? We continue looking for long opportunities. In the back of your head, you can understand that yes, this is a manipulation candle in the back of your head. But what is the market telling you right now? The market is simply telling you that we are continuing to push higher. Why? Because bears are not fighting here. We're not seeing the exponential moving averages break. There's no reason to be bearish. The amount of times I see traders, what they do is they'll try to see a wick high, or they'll try to make a wick high, or forcibly make a top of a candle and be like, okay, Pingu, no, this can't go any higher, I'm gonna short. No, that's not how this works. This is literally not how this works. But what we're looking for is, of course, the 68K range. 68K range is ideal for Bitcoin right now to be acting as an absolute magnet. But yes, that is pretty much why I wanted you guys to obviously see or rather do this live stream. But yeah, that's pretty much just gives you guys a idea of how this weekend's going to play out. Tomorrow will be our confirmation, and I will give you guys that confirmation tomorrow night during Asia hours, like I always do on Sundays. So yes, should I keep holding Popcat? I do think you should. I think Popcat, I mean, again, it depends where you bought in from, but I do genuinely think Popcat is going to run still. What other meme coin do you find promising right now? I have a lot of meme coins, guys, but I don't share a lot with you guys because, again, my goal is to make this channel safe and secure. Ideally safe and secure, it means not shilling 500 coins to you guys. I only shill the ones I'm really confident in, which has been Popcat, Devin, Noobcat. I think those are the only 3 I've ever shared. I might have shared Dog with Hat, but those are bigger ones, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, it's always going to be big ones. The only time Devin was the only one that I shared as a low cap. In 1.5 years of this channel, I have never shared a $1 million market cap coin. I shared it because I was confident in the idea and the narrative, and you can't replicate it. That's why I shared it. That's the only reason. Where do you buy Devin? You can buy it on Phantom Wallet. So download Phantom Wallet, you transfer Solana to it, and then of course you can buy it on Jupiter, so within the wallet itself. So that's where you buy it from. There's a bunch of YouTube guys to show you how to buy your first meme coin on Solana. But yes, you just go through there. I sent the contract address multiple times. Yeah, no, I'm still riding Devin. I'm still going to ride Devin for a long time. I haven't personally taken any profits. It's too early for me to take any sort of profits. We are still in the very, very bare minimum of it. I do think it's going to do extremely well. Me personally, I'm going to continue holding. Can you make on your video on your strategy? I have multiple videos on my strategy. You can just search it up. Thank you for the stream. Yeah, no problem, guys. No problem. All right, let me see where this guy's at. Just passing Jackson. Okay, I got 5 more minutes. How we doing? Any other ideas? Any other questions? Sorry, are we good? Yeah, I'm going to continue holding. And I know, Kendall, and that's what I told you. Remember when you messaged me and you're like, hey, I sold them. I know you're going to buy back in right away. And that was at like 2 million. And the reason why is because Devin in general as a coin is too early. Like, guys, you guys don't understand. This thing went to 21 million in 3 days. Like, it's too early to be fighting over pennies when the market of Bitcoin in general is doing extremely well. There's certain times where you want to be a scalper in meme coins, and there's certain times where you just want to hold because you know momentum is there. Right now, momentum in meme coins is definitely there. There's a lot of liquidity coming into the market. People are now starting to buy Bitcoin again, starting to push into that. And Solana is, of course, not even close to its all-time high. Things are about to get absolutely crazy, guys. Things are going to get really wild for a lot of these coins, and that's where things get very good. What's your opinion on the ETF? So my opinion usually on ETF is this noise. There's a lot of noise in this market and just ETFs in general. And of course, for those of you that remember back in the day, future markets for Bitcoin back in 2018, there was all noise. There was all, whatever. The thing is, looking at Bitcoin ETF previously, it'll give you guys an idea of how things can be played. So with Bitcoin's ETF, when it first came out, you saw a major dip opportunity within a week and then a huge pump. Could we expect the same thing for Ethereum? Possibly, but again, now we have Bitcoin leading. So could this move be a manipulated move? 100%. Yes, that's what I keep saying, that the candlesticks are being really odd right now. But long term, the ETF is extremely bullish. There's a short-term thinking and there's long-term thinking, and I am a long-term trader. I see the ETF as, of course, extremely bullish. That is going to give it the fuel for Ethereum to hit that $10,000 this cycle. So yes, I wouldn't be fighting over pennies. I'm looking for the longer vision here. So you think we can get to a 600 mil market cap on it, Kendall? Anything's possible. I'm not going to say no. It is a really large goal. Can it hit, even if we get 10% of that, that's still a huge gain for a lot of us. So that'll be ideal. Where do we buy Devin? VDizzle, I've already answered that. It's on Phantom Wallet. You can search on YouTube how to buy your first Solana meme coin. I have the contract address. I've posted it multiple times in the Telegram. That's pretty much how you do it. About 250 million was hacked from Indian exchange. Yeah, I mean, there's going to be a lot of hacks, man. There's going to be a lot of hacks for exchanges in general. So, yeah. One sec. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Everyone's good. Mainly Shiba Inu. Yeah, Shiba Inu is a good buy. Not good buy, but Shiba Inu and Doge and all these coins. Like I said, I'm gonna start making videos on them soon. I promise you guys, when I feel it's comfortable and for altcoins, I will start making those videos again. Right now, if I'm not making videos, it's because everything is pretty much sideways, right? We're seeing Doge break out, but we're still on a huge downtrend in Doge. It's not anything special, just like it wasn't anything special here, it wasn't anything special here, it wasn't anything special here. Wait for a proper confirmation, and when you see a Doge video put out, that means that we can start looking into altcoins again. Otherwise, right now, we're just vibing, doing absolutely nothing, and just chilling, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna go and just enjoy my weekend and do absolutely nothing, and you guys, good luck with everything. Thanks for coming to this random live stream on a random Saturday. I know I should have given you guys a better heads up, but like a random day, you know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling. So anyways, we're at 19 minutes. I said 20 minutes max. So that's pretty much it for me. You guys enjoy your weekends. If you guys have any questions, of course, DM me. I can't promise you will respond right away, but I will try my best to respond. And yeah, thanks for coming. And I appreciate you guys so much for always liking my videos. And of course, huge shout out to Fair Desk. Guys, something big is coming for Fair Desk within a week. In a week, it's going to be coming out. So I will be letting you guys know, you know, with what's going to be going on. But otherwise, for those of you that are using Fair Desk, continue using it and enjoy it. But I will let you guys know, of course, when there's another update. All right. Anyways, see ya. Have a great day, guys. Bye.